morning. Ira Epstein of Linn Associates with your morning flash update for this Thursday, the 6th of May, 2021. I'm early today at 7:50 p.m. because we've already got the economic data out until 9:30, so why not just get this out early? I normally wait until there's some data comes out after 7:30, 8, 8:30, and I try to catch as much as I can for you. The important thing, of course, is tomorrow. Tomorrow we're going to see the all-important jobs data. We had good numbers today. In fact, I'll show them to you and then we'll come back here. Challenger numbers down 25% from the prior month. That's huge. So, you know, and what it shows you is how tight this labor market is because workers, they're either saying they're scared to go back to work because of COVID, they're making more money because the government programs continue to run and they pay them more that they might make at their jobs. There's a whole myriad of reasons, but jobs are wanting people. The companies want to hire you, so it's going to force employers to pay up initially, but after that, as the force comes in, they won't be going up too much, is my guess. The first quarter non-farm productivity and unit labor costs came out, and they are up 5.4%, very much in line, you would think about that productivity. But the labor cost, didn't go up yet, down 0.3. They expected that to be in the neighborhood of down 1%. So who knows? Pretty interesting. Jobless claims number cracking the 500,000 on the downside, which is great. This just shows you as businesses are opening and life is getting back to normal in the United States, this is what's going on. The continuing jobless claims, though, were up 37,000. That sort of tests that theory. Energy analysts are looking for a 65 billion cubic feet injection into the natural gas. And yesterday we saw nat gas sort of flounder. You know, the market had gotten up here in the Brent just shy of the $70 mark, sold off. It's still acting pretty good. We're trading down a little bit in the nat gas right now. Bonds and notes were trading near that 156 level in the 10-year note. It'd be interesting if it cracks down underneath the 1.5 level, but haven't done that in a while. Look at how corn has sold off from that big rally of 722.5. Interesting. And wheat is actually down 7 on the day. As for the dollar index, it is lower. So that might have been the rally that we saw, and it could all end right there. It's hard to tell what's going on. In the gold market, up a little bit today. A little. I'm making a strong statement that isn't right there. It's up a lot, $11. And again, coming up to challenge that all-important 1,800 level. Silver's going to challenge, from the looks of it, the $27 an ounce level. And copper, you know, I keep saying this market, the next spot that it probably goes to is into the 470, 475 level for serious resistance. Stock indices sort of doing this right now. So I look at it all, interesting, but I've got to tell you, I can tell you what my paid subscribers are seeing is they're using this new Bollinger Band idea that I came up with, the enhanced Bollinger Band course. If they're not, they're blind. Okay, and I got a lot of paid subscribers, so they know I'm not just saying this, but the results are just showing them. And it impacted me in making trade recommendations to them because as I did it, I realized things that I knew, but I had to put it down into the course. 13 chapters, each about 6-7 minutes long. I think I'll open your eyes up to a new level of Bollinger Band trading. In any case, take a look at this, decide for yourself if that suits you. Take care. Welcome. I'm Ira Epstein, and I'm here to talk about my enhanced Bollinger Band course. Now, many of you have taken my regular charting course, and if not, you might think you know something about Bollinger Bands. As you know, Bollinger Bands are an algorithm designed to keep the market trading within it 95% of the time, and on a chart, it will offer on the top part resistance, on the bottom support, and the idea is the market will travel within them. We know that sometimes it latches onto that band, goes up or goes down. Well, how do you play with that? Can you pyramid the positions off that type of thinking? Well, I've applied all 3 of these into 13 different videos that teach you my concept of it. And from that concept, you're able to work with weekly charts and or daily charts. The 13 videos, each about 7 minutes long. The idea here is not to put you in school forever, but to teach. Now, if you haven't tried my complete futures research, I throw that in as well Whether you've tried this or not, I think it's worth taking a look at. I think you're going to learn something from there. That research, by the way, covers twice daily market updates for you and access to what I call window envelope numbers, which I think are very important when looking at these Bollinger Bands. The next part is a trial to our charting software so you can make your charts look the same way that mine do. It's that simple. Where do you go with it and how do you get all this? It's simple. You go to our website, www.iraepstein.com. If you go to the word education, everything you need is answered there. You can also call my staff. They'll be happy to help you get set up. I'm Ira Epstein, on the road to your education.